the brakes. Eagle F1s. Carbon mirrors. Oh man. Exhausts. RS3. That's it. Really nice in here. Oh my god, it's nice. Wow. Look at that. Five-cylinder beauty. Wow. Check out this RS3. Oh my god, look at the engine bay, it's just amazing. Look at that. Eventuri intake, blown away. I love the 5-cylinder unit, it's just amazing. This car looks stunning in Nardo grey, absolutely amazing. It's actually shot. Join me in a 2017 Audi RS3 MRC tuned on Wales mountain passes. This is about 530 brake horsepower, this car. We've just been driving and I've got to say I'm absolutely blown away by these roads, and this car sounds god, it sounds like something else. What a car. Oh my god. I drove the new Audi RS3 last week, yeah. I mean, it's got nothing on this for entertainment. I know this is tuned, but I know how good these cars sound, and hopefully this gives you an idea. Oh my god, it's flat. What the flipping heck? Oh my days. Can you hear the noise? Get so carried away with this car. Wow. Some of these roads, by the way, I don't think my GoPro is going to do it justice. You're just going to have to trust me. There's footage I haven't shown you just driving here. What do I think of the old shape Audi RS3? Well, it's a nice place to be. Speaking to the owner, you get like a proper gear stick there, rather than, well, nothing. Oh man. Oh my god. And inside it's really like Audi minimalistic, get my words out. Look at where we are. I cannot thank the owner enough for this. Just coming up here for a drive, Sunday morning. We're running out of time, guys, to enjoy cars. Fucking hell. This is going to be a censored video. What a car. What a place. I don't want to go back. It's that good. Flipping heck. Car feels quick. Sorry for the low sun, but that's just where we're at. We have to lower it down. Yeah, hopefully you can see all okay. I mean, I'm gonna shut up. You can listen to the car. Wow, look at it. Look at where we are. Rides really, really well. I have no idea what mode I'm in. Some sort of loud mode or individual mode. Steering feels very similar to my Mark 7 actually. Quite light, but you get a sense of where you're going. A lot more connected than these newer cars. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, you get moments in life, yeah. This is one of those moments. And I'm bringing you along for it. Car sounds incredible, the 5-cylinder. I mean, what on earth? Notice the weight actually a little bit more than my Mark 7, but it sort of hides it well, if that makes sense, because of the power of the car. As we're heading straight into the sun, let me spin her back. Look at that, it's like mist. Unbelievable. This is an unbelievable car. Old Gen RS3 or new Gen RS3, do I even need to say any more? You know? Apologies for the sun. I'm going to keep this rolling because it's one of those moments. I'll probably do a shortened version at some point, but for this one, you can enjoy it, hopefully as much as I am.